Hello people, this round I'm going to show you how to disable any and or all notifications on Discord. Now as per usual, you can go to the user settings down here and navigate over to notifications where you can enable or disable all and anything. Now this is for the general Discord notifications, by the way, where as you can see I've disabled a lot of the most common Discord notification sounds that we might likely hear simply because I don't know, it triggers my anxiety, I guess, who knows. But if you want to specifically disable from a certain channel, you can just go to notification settings. You can edit any options here, especially the suppress at everyone and at here, but also you can bring that whole window up so you can see it better. And there you go, mobile push notifications, you can just turn that off and you can just leave it at only at mentions. There you go. Or you can just mute the whole server, yeah, why not? But yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. If this video helped, just leave a like, maybe subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you again.